Hi, there are moments that you are doing a search for a client, but yet the client has asked you that they're looking to buy something close to where they work. And sometimes the word close means you can make it, so it will be 10 minutes away from your job or 15 minutes. Let INRIX, the program that's in Matrix, help you out. As you're looking at your map, you'll notice at the top left, there will be a little button that will say INRIX. And as you click on it, it will take you to a screen that says to you, would you like me to give me the address of either the job or the address of the place you want to start from? So let's make believe that right now I work at 14920 Southwest 139 Place. Immediately, if I wanted to know what properties are in, I click on my drop-down arrow over here, and I actually go into the system and say add. Once I do that, the system will now find me all the properties within 10 to 15 minutes from where I am working. This will definitely save you a lot of time. Instead of looking properties that are very far away from where they work, you can actually have INRIX, a beautiful program, enable you to find properties very close to where you work. I hope you try it, and I thank you for being a Miami member.